Mike.
Hey, Dylan.
Now, I appreciate your help on this one, but Bayswater's my backyard. Not really sure how a ringwood agent's going to help.
No, let's see. I think I will sell it before you do. Yes, it is 3 bedroom, 3 bathrooms. You never seen this before. Tri-level as well. You better come.
What the hell, Mike? You're calling buyers already? We haven't even seen upstairs.
Yes, of course I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it before you.
You snooze, you lose, Mike. I've just sold the top floor.
Dylan, this is a 3-level townhouse. You can't sell floor by floor. You have to sell the whole thing. Dylan, you have to go home at some point. You can't stay here forever.
That's what you think. I came prepared.
What? Where did you get those from?
Aldi's like 100 metres down the road. If you're a local agent, you'd know that.
Are they oats?